So we would just like to do a quick review about See Pakistan tours and our guide Sherry. We were very, very, very happy with our guide. He picked us up from the airport and we were really nervous when we landed, but actually we were really relieved when we met our guide and he made us feel very comfortable. And we basically have had the best trip ever. We really enjoyed seeing Pakistan. I don't think we ever would have done it without our guide. We were able to go up to the mountains and we went to Naran and Hunza. We stayed at Eagle's Nest. We had amazing views. We met the local people and there were so many wonderful things that we did. We ate food and we were able to just experience so many new